Do you know what food truck business is and how you manage this business? If your answer is no, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Starting a food truck business in the USA can be an exciting venture. Here are the key steps to get you started. Research and planning. Market research, identify your target market and location. Study your competition and understand what types of food are in demand in the area. Business plan, create a comprehensive business plan outlining your concept, menu, budget, and financial projections. This plan will also be crucial if you seek financing. Legal requirements. Business structure, decide on your business structure, such as sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Permits and licenses, check with your local health department and city or county government for the necessary permits and licenses. You may need a food handler's permit, health department permit, and parking permits for specific locations. Employer identification number, EIN, obtain an EIN from the IRS for tax purposes. Food truck setup. Purchase or build, buy a food truck or consider converting an existing vehicle. Ensure it meets health and safety regulations. Equipment, equip your truck with the necessary cooking appliances, refrigeration, and storage. Menu development, create a unique and appealing menu that sets you apart from competitors. Consider dietary restrictions and preferences. Health and safety. Food safety, implement food safety protocols and ensure that your staff is trained in safe food handling practices. Inspections, schedule inspections with your local health department to ensure your truck complies with health and safety standards. Location and schedule. Choose locations, determine your regular locations and events where you'll operate your food truck. Consider high traffic areas and popular events. Schedule, establish your operating hours and days. Branding and marketing. Branding, create an eye-catching logo and branding for your food truck. Online presence, set up a website and social media profiles to promote your business and announce your location. Marketing, consider promotions, partnerships, and loyalty programs to attract and retain customers. Finances. Budget, prepare a budget for your startup and ongoing expenses. Ensure you have enough capital to cover initial costs and operate until you turn a profit. Pricing, set competitive and profitable prices for your menu items. Hiring and training. Staff, hire and train employees if needed. Ensure they understand your menu and customer service expectations. Insurance. Liability insurance, purchase liability insurance to protect your business in case of accidents or lawsuits. Launch. Soft opening, consider a soft opening to test your operations and gather feedback before a full launch. Grand opening, plan a grand opening event to generate buzz and attract customers. Track and adapt. Monitor your sales, customer feedback, and expenses regularly. Make adjustments to your menu or operations as needed. Starting a food truck business requires careful planning, dedication, and hard work. Adhering to legal requirements and providing excellent food and service are key to your success. Hope you understand the things about food truck business. If you think this video is informative, then please subscribe our channel.